Hi there. Now take a look at my toilet lighthouse combination here. Now it's done. It's all done now. I installed a new technology composting toilet seat, and I had to make this toilet a little bit higher. So I installed these earth screws and made a frame on the top of them, and just put this building on the top of that frame. So I also made a terrace here. There's automatic lights both outside and inside, and there's a flasher here on the top of the roof. Wait a minute. So the light flashes when this toilet's occupied. This is the way it looks here from the lake. So when I bought that composting toilet seat around a year and a half ago, it just couldn't fit inside the toilet because it was so high. So that's when this idea came. I raised it up, and I thought, why not to build it like to look like a lighthouse or something. So because we are near to the lake here, so that's the way it turned out. I've used old stuff here. For example, these are from my old garden. I dismantled the hammock, so this was the part where you can sit on here. It's curved. It's in every corner. I don't know, is the hammock right word? Maybe it is. But anyway, here it is. So here comes the earth cable here. I just have to tie it here. I have to find some clamps or something to tie it here. And I guarantee this earth cable, it's got enough square millimeters. It's 4 times 6 / 6. So this is a 12-volt system, and I paired 2 cables. There's 2 cables going plus and 2 cables for minus. So it's got 12 square millimeters per pole. So there's only lights inside though, so it's very, very good now. And I also had in mind, so I will put the cable out here and build something here, so I got enough electricity right here. So there it is now. And now we start to celebrate midsummer. Just have to cut the grass and stuff like that. So have a great midsummer festival.